Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, analog age, used 4x5 reverse film, and well, I have this subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. I'm gonna make something interesting or something impressive image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, base image, and I'm gonna turn this one of them, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm going to work on this image to smudge first. Make it like a oil paint or something like that. Well, use the Evolve. There's Okinawa sake. Okay, you're almost done for smudging main subject. It's alright. Now go background. Okay, now I will check this pencil drawing type image, turn it on. Now change the blend mode. That's nice, isn't it? Color burn. Look at this illustration. If you don't have this black lines drawing, it's kind of smudge this. You don't even read these labels. But when you turn it on this pencil drawing type, now you see the words. Nice, wild turkey. Well, change this color burn, overlay. This one is nice too. Nice illustration type image. Luminosity, I like that. Yeah. Well, I like this luminosity max, luminosity, and also color burn. Pretty impressive. Yeah, what I like about this color burn is these black lines. That makes pretty impressive. Let's see. Okay, now I go for just regular smudge image and smudge base, change the blend mode to luminosity max, select both. Then I'm gonna, as a group, duplicate group, then flatten group. This is luminosity max image, right? Okay, I'm gonna rename luminosity 100%. Now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then change the blend mode to multiply. Goes double the color, contrast and stuff. Double, then merge down. Now again, duplicate, change, multiply. So I think this color is 4 times darker, right? So I'm going to change, well, this is multiply, and I'm going to merge down. Change name, actually luminosity 100 by 4 times. Okay, now I'm going to use this one later. I'm going to just leave it on, leave it this. Now I want to make another image. This group, I'm going to change this blend mode. That was the luminosity, but I like, well, overlay is fine too. Color burn 50% or was too dark. If I change this to overlay, well, since the subject is whiskey and stuff, so I go more moody, so maybe dark images goes well. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna use this. This is too much max. Well, how about 70%? Yeah, just leave it 70%. Now this is color burn 70. So I'm gonna, now this group, again, flatten. Well, just leave this group. I'm gonna duplicate. Then I'm gonna flatten this duplicate one. Then I'm gonna change name. This one is color burn 70%, right? So rename color burn 70 image. Alright. Now just this group base image is just leave it on. Then we're gonna work on these two images now. Now this is pretty interesting color. Let me see. Color burn 70 image is the base this time. Now I want to change this blend mode on luminosity 100 4 times. Change the image. Look at this. Color goes much dramatic, huh? Linear burn. This one is color burn. Wow. That's cool. Overlay. Vivid. Well, overlay or color burn. That's so moody, huh? Well, okay, base image is color burn. This is base image. Color burn 50. This is much more dramatic image. So I'm going to duplicate, make as a group base image. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then flatten this image. Now this is not color burn 70. That's this image. And these two. So I'm gonna, this is a new base image. Then I'm gonna make this one again. Change color burn to overlay. Oops, I'm going to turn this one off to see this image. Okay, now this time color overlay max. Overlay 50. Let's see, compare it to this image. This is pretty dark, right? So this one is now overlay 50. This is too bright. Okay, go for overlay max. Yeah, this image is, I'm going to duplicate, then flatten. Now turn it off, this group. Now we get the two images. One is lighter image base. I'm going to change this. This was overlay, right? New base 1 and 2. I'm going to rename new base 2. Okay, these two images I'm going to choose and I'm going to use. And this one is darker one. Now, okay, I'm going to make mask, then invert mask. Turn on the base 2. This one, invert mask. Then just darken the opposite way. Check the white. Same brush, soft blend. Then need some dark this area. That's one way to do this, but let me see if I can change this. This is normal blend. Turn this mask off now. We see both image. Now I'm going to bring this image up. Then this one is, I'm going to change this one normal. Now normal base image 1. Then I'm going to use this mask, but this is normal one, right? This one is, well, I just moved up. I may wanna show here, so I'm not gonna use this mask, right? So I'm gonna delete this mask. Then I'm gonna make mask on this top layer. Then I wanna, let's see, darken image. Well, around this part I want some dark, so I'm gonna fill it, mask here. Okay, now I'm gonna use soft brush, then maybe about 20% or so, bigger size, filling in black. Like so. Almost, but still needs some contrast and lighten up around here. But I want to try add some color, or let's see. I'm not using these images. I'm gonna just, well, this is base image. Okay, in this case, I'm gonna lighten up this area. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then I'm gonna clear this mask. Now invert mask. Then I'm gonna reveal this with soft blend. Let's see. Easy to see. Turn this image off. Reveal this. Maybe this much, and also here Jack Daniel. Then this label, maybe this much. Okay, now I'm gonna adjustment layer, curves, now gamma to lighten up. You see this area, I just made mask this white area. Okay, lighten up, go down, contrast more up. Now it's too red, so I'm gonna reduce the red. Then add some, well, yellow. Then go back to gamma. Okay, and yellow too much, so bring this blue about this area. Okay, that's about it. Let's see. No mask. Okay, lighten up around here too. So I'm going to just reveal with some same soft blend this bottle. Okay, and let's see. This is too much, so I'm going to hide some touch up. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, from top, this is the base image. Then I lighten up the group of the whiskeys. Then I lighten up this one, these couple of them, which is this mask, right? Okay, I'm gonna turn this one off. So you see this much I'm showing on this layer. Then this layer is masked, so this much I'm showing. Then I'm using the base image here. Now, let's see. I have this pencil drawing type image. I'm gonna make duplicate, then bring this one, go up, all the way up. Now when you turn on this, you only see this pencil drawing type. I'm gonna make mask painting artistic to hearts. Let's see, I want to resize the canvas, both sides, more, touch more. Yeah, space-wise I want this. Well, this is kind of, yeah, 3D is nice, huh? Okay, no. Yeah, this is clean. Now, I'm gonna clear this again. Let's see, once again. Well, one is this, the other one is this. Just one variation. Yeah. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for you guys, creative work, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. This is clean, huh? Alright. Okay. Next time.